Hey everybody, Renee here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to change your rear differential fluid. The differential is a series of gears that allows your inner and outer wheels to travel slightly different distances when you turn. Those gears require lubricant, and it's recommended you change your fluid every 30,000 to 60,000 miles. Today I'll be working on this 2012 Toyota Tacoma, but procedures will vary slightly from one vehicle to the next. So be sure to know the specifics for your vehicle before getting started. You'll need to know the specific type of differential fluid recommended by your vehicle's manufacturer, as well as the amount. If you're not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we'd be happy to recommend a professional technician in your area. Once you get your supplies together, here's what you'll do. Drive your vehicle for a few minutes so the fluid will warm up and drain more easily. Park on a level surface to ensure you're able to drain the differential completely. In some cases, you may need to raise the back end of your vehicle and support it with jack stands. If your differential has both a drain plug and a fill plug, your first step is to remove the two plugs with your ratchet and socket. In some models, there's only one plug, and the old fluid must be drawn out with a hand pump. Our Toyota has two plugs, and the top plug is the fill plug. Remove it first. Use penetrating oil to get through any rust or grime that's keeping the plug from loosening. You may need a breaker bar if the plug is difficult to remove. Next, put a drain pan in place and remove the drain plug at the bottom. Letting the fluid run into the pan. The drain plug is magnetic, so wipe off any small metal fragments. Once the fluid is drained, if your drain plug has a crush washer, replace it with a new one. Then tighten it back into place. If your differential only has a fill plug, you'll have to either draw the old fluid out with your pump or remove the differential cover plate to make sure the differential is completely drained. If you need to remove the differential cover plate, put your drain pan in place and remove the fill plug. Remove all the bolts holding the cover in place and remove it. You may need a flathead screwdriver to pry the cover off. Drain all the old fluid from the differential. Thoroughly clean the surface where the gasket will sit. and install a new differential cover gasket. Use sealant when you install the gasket for the best possible seal. And bolt the cover back on. Tighten the bolts in a star pattern. Being sure to torque them to manufacturer's specifications. Use your hand pump to fill the differential. Stop filling when the fluid is just shy of the fill plug. Replace the crush washer with a new one if your fill plug has one, and tighten it back into place. Wipe up any fluid that you might have spilled in the process. And that's it. You'll find everything you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. Our DIY videos are designed to help answer questions we get in our stores every day. If you found this one helpful, subscribe to our channel to get all the latest. We'll see you again soon.